Hi guys, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm just gonna put my phone on flight mode. Thank you for coming at such short notice. I really appreciate it.
Okay.
So look, it's really unfortunate that I do need to call you in here without without a lot of notice, but I'm really conscious that I know you're going away on leave. I'm not sure how long you are going away, and we do need to address quite an important HR and company matter with you guys.
Yeah.
So I put all the information in here that you really need to know. So if you wouldn't mind just opening these up and having a quick read.
Oh my god! Oh my
Congratulations! Baby, you've won Employee of the Year and Carissa, new Employee of the Year. What do you think of that?
Oh wow!
I'm Groot.
I feel shocked.
I am.
You made it very serious at the beginning. I was like,
okay,
oh, did
yeah.
I do something wrong?
No, you did everything right. You did everything right.